Baclayon, Bohol, Philippines. It is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and holds the distinction of being one of the oldest churches in the country. The church was built by Spanish missionaries in the 16th century, with its origins tracing back to 1596 when the Jesuit priest Father Gabriel Sanchez and Father Juan de Torres founded the church as part of the evangelization of Baclayon. Baclayon Church was declared a national cultural treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines in 2010. Although it survived damage and was eventually restored, the church suffered heavy damage during an earthquake that struck Bohol on October 15, 2013.
November 17, 1596, the arrival of the Spanish. Jesuit Juan de Torres and Gabriel Sanchez in Baclayon to begin the systematic Christianizations of Boholanos. 1717, Jesuit established Baclayon as a parish. In 1727, Jesuit erect a coral stone church in Baclayon. Base of the church tower and bulwark are dated in this period. In 1768, Jesuit order expelled from the country. Augustinians recollect take charge of Baclayon Church. In 1777, Augustinian recollects enlarge the church participations and complete the church tower. In 1824, a pipe organ is constructed in pure loaf by Father Diego Sierra. In 1850, octagonal baptistry is built and annexed to gospel transept. In 1852, a retablo is built in the baptistry dedicated to Santo Itero. In 1853, the sacristy proper, a room parallel to the main altar, is constructed. In 1859, the mortuary chapel Ermita de Difuntos is built a short distance from the baptistry. In 1870s, the church pulpit is constructed. Some of the fortification walls surrounding the church is demolished. In 1872, a pestle transept extension built by the Jesuit and residents is expanded in a complete convent. In 1875, constructions of a portico covering the old church facade. In 1881, Father Cabañas supervises the constructions of wood and stone market. In 1885, images of Saint Joseph and Child Jesus and Immaculate Conceptions were acquired and placed in the uppermost and central niches of the porticoed facade. In September 1901, Baclayon Church avoided distractions from invading American troops. In 1942 to 1945, Baclayon Church suffered damage from sniper fire from Japanese troops. In 1984, the seaside fortification used as residence by a Jesuit is demolished. In 1994, Baclayon Church is declared as a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Commissions of the Philippines. 2010, Baclayon Church is declared as one of National Cultural Treasures by the National Museum. In October 15, 2013, a 7.2 magnitude earthquake demolished the fortified facade and church tower of Baclayon Church.
Baclayon.
Ay, sorry, Baclayon, rather. Oh my God. Sorry.
Ang pinaka dako ko yun ang pag-uwan kay katunggaw bagyo earthquake hurricane kay ganito na nabong yung mga ubang unggoy ibaran nga naanira na natapo naura ko nila na-restore ni mga 40 years ago or ilan kasi kasi mga tawag na po niya pag katungkod death 2021 kana kami na bagkunan ni kana
So, katong mga nana sa museo, mo to mga sa una, wala pang makuhaan, wala pang
paraan pa na paraan din tanaw na nila to
Oo, isulod ni.
nana panon siya na karaan kaayo wa pa matawuan ang tingnan ko kami na
Grabe na to.
daganan na ngawa dapat ngawa
Pero naabdan pa to din niya na ikaw mo na sa first na ani. Naabdan pa to din niya itong mga gamit na state ani sa church.
wa kaabot pag ko pero bata pa malagi po ko bata pa karon na makita lagi dat kung mga kuan 40 yan na 30 yan pabang ko din ipon tapos Davao
So, mga usa ka hanggayon di ko ano.
ay dugay na kaya nakadto na kung antik bitaw ng ana nasud ana nakasunod wala kami mga tao
Nakasunod
wala ka na tingalan wala ka na room ay may mga karaan mga salina mga karaan sa mga berhen wa man na ika kanang ubang mga berhen na nawa ni gawas ay mga
Calamari is one of the delicacies in Baclayon. That's all. We are inviting you to enjoy and experience here in Baclayon.